One topic dominates the news tonight. The bird flu pandemic sweeping the world has arrived with devastating results. 32 died today from the deadly virus, but by morning, health authorities fear that number will be in the hundreds. Thousands of people are being treated in hospital. Already, social order has broken down. There were riots at vaccination centres when stocks ran out. Gangs are roaming some inner-city streets as crime goes unchecked because the virus has cut police numbers by a third. The federal government